Okay, here's a 2015 Ford Flex with the auto vent shade in-channel rain guards. You just need to be aware when you're installing these in-channel rain guards, as a previous video stated, you want to be careful about the trim. This trim piece goes underneath the rain guard. You're going to be tempted to stick the rain guard behind here, as that's what you would think, but no, that channel goes in front of the trim. Also down here on your mirror, you want to, you're going to be tempted to stick the rain guard tab inside the window channel. That's where the window goes up and down. There'll be no room for your window. It goes between the plastic of your mirror and the outside. It doesn't look like it'll fit. It will fit. All right. So that tab sticks there on the outside of the mirror. Obviously here on the inside. Same for the rears. This is toward the front of the car now. Goes on the outside of the rubber. Unlike the back, this one sticks under the rubber. It states it in the instructions. Just read it. Dry fit it a few times. Make sure your windows go up and down. Again, looking at the car here, you can see this is the channel for the window. When you put your windows up, you want to make sure that your window is actually in the channel and the rain guard is outside the channel. If you stick it inside there, you're not going to have any room. But there you go. It's all the way up. It's sealed. Of course, I let it set for more than 24 hours. I probably had it on for a day and a half. But the window goes up, it stays up. You're good to go. The rear windows go up and down, no problems. Here's the other side. Everything works as it should. There's nothing wrong with these rain guards. If you're having problems, you're installing them incorrectly. Perfect. That's me lowering the window. This is me raising the window, and you'll see it stays up. No problem.